Good morning. Once again, this is James from the Wall Street Minute. Today I'm standing in front of 23 Wall Street, known as the House of Morgan, right across the street from the New York Stock Exchange. It's back there somewhere, depending on how I tilt the camera. Anyway, two big issues facing the market on this beautiful Columbus Day. Friday, the employment numbers came out, and they were basically awesome. They were way over 336,000 new hires. That's a lot of job growth. It shows that U.S. employers are hiring. They're not listening to the mainstream media. They're starting to step up and they're hiring. Again, this feeds the thesis that we are coming out of a recession, not going into one, and that 5% interest rates are not really going to impact things that much because that is the historical norm. I think Wall Street is finally starting to give up the ghost on this idea that we're going back to zero interest rates, which is never going to happen. That's just not going to happen unless there's some huge financial crisis right around the corner. The other thing, which is not so positive, is the savage attack by Hamas over the weekend, attacking Israel. Basically, you have a state of war there. I'm afraid this is going to get a lot uglier before it gets better. And this is probably going to put a big spike in the oil markets. And as you know, I've been an oil bull for a long time. And this may refocus people's view on oil or change their attitude. And I think what you're seeing is Saudi Arabia has already said they're not going to pump more oil. So that's for one. Oil is kind of, to some degree, in the past, it was used as sort of a risk barometer. Oil prices would go up when there was higher risk. Oil prices would go down when there was lower risk. Sort of like that attitude. Anyway, I can only say what's going on in Israel is terrible, and it kind of blows up this whole theme that's emerged over the last 20 years that somehow Israel is the bad guy in all this, which is just totally ridiculous. But I think now people are going to see perhaps they're going to see the error of their ways and concentrate on a more focused Middle East policy. Anyway, this is James once again from the Wall Street Minute. Say hello, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to these videos.